Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Sennheiser SD450BT. If you want to reset your Sennheiser SD450BT, then you will need to follow some steps. These steps are also suitable for 450BT, so you will need to follow these steps. Go to pairing mode in your SD450BT. Then how to go to pairing mode? Turn off the SD450BT by pressing power button for 2 seconds. When turn off, press power button for 4 seconds to go to pairing mode. Red and blue alternate light flashes. In the second step, reset your SD450BT by pressing down power and pay/pause slider button together for 4 seconds. Purple light will flash. Your Sennheiser SD 450BT and 458BT has been reset. So this is the resetting steps you can follow to reset your 450BT noise cancellation headphones. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.